Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create stunning infographics with NotebookLM. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for NotebookLM. Open NotebookLM, then click Try Gemini Notebook. Once NotebookLM opens, click Create New Notebook to start a new project. Now, click Add Source and upload the PDF you want to use for your infographic. NotebookLM will automatically process your PDF and extract the information from it. Once the PDF has been processed, look for the Infographic option and select it. Now, you can customize your infographic before generating it. First, choose your language. In this tutorial, we'll keep it set to English, which is the default option. Next, select the orientation you want for your infographic. Then, choose the level of detail. For this tutorial, we'll keep it set to standard. Now, scroll down and you'll see a text box where you can enter a prompt describing the infographic you want to create. Enter your infographic prompt here. The prompt I'm using is available in the video description, so you can copy it and use it yourself. Once everything looks good, click Generate, and NotebookLM will start creating your infographic. The generation may take some time, so be patient while NotebookLM processes your request. If you're using a paid Gemini or Google plan with faster generation, the process may be quicker. If you're using the free version, it can take a little longer. Once it's finished, click on the infographic to open it. And there you have it. Your information has been transformed into a stunning, easy-to-understand infographic using NotebookLM. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials.